Piedho mar komishonas mag duol matayo yiero pachoka IEBC dhi nyime kinde ma ji maromo 6 ogenda dhogi odiechieng' ma kawuono. Nyaka sani ji 2 osewere gi ng'wech mar laro thuolo mar bedo komishonas go, ka jomogenda dhogi kawuono oting'o Mary Karen Chesang Kigen, Mary Njeri Mburu, Melissa Yeko Ng'ania, Mohamed Abdullahi Abdi, Mohamed Ahmed Dagane kaachiel kod Mohamed Mahat Sabul. Bang'e jotend migepe mowal Geoffrey Kiringa, Aruku kaachiel kod Hana Wendot Cheptumo manowal gi jatend kaka jotend migao Makit Chwech bende ibiro da dhogi gi kamati mar od bura mamalo mochune walo jotelo mibiro telne kod spika mar od bura Moses Wetangula.
County governments, I can confidently say that we have no hand whatsoever in the matter that is in court with regard to national CDF. That one, it's not sponsored by the counties. But on RMLF, I want to state here that we believe counties, since we have county roads that we're supposed to maintain, we definitely require to be supported in terms of the fuel levy that is actually collected from the counties, and we have the county roads which are supposed to be maintained. So the matter that is in court really is to get an interpretation from an independent arbiter, since we didn't agree with the National Assembly.
The other matter that I wanted to comment on is the matter of the CHPs. The matter of the CHPs, as the chair has said, counties give 2,500 and national government also gives 2,500. But this is a devolved function. So what we agreed that this should be a conditional grant to counties, so that counties pay the CHPs. Because this idea of having national and county, it confuses the CHPs. So they say the national is bad, the national is good, the county is bad. Yet, as we sit here today, the last capitation, the last equitable share that we received was for January, and we are in April. So national government probably have paid the CHPs until April. But us, we have not even received the money since January. So that is why we want it to be a conditional grant, so that the CHPs, they are under counties, and counties receive the money and pay them.